I would like to rear up and jackknife my legs and kick you both in the jaw with my foot bone. That's what I would love. I wish my foot would go right through your skull.
But to get intimate with a canvas, he would just finger the paint.
You can do it. You can do it. You like to finger his painting.
Yeah, yeah, Josh. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You know what happened? But I do know this.
Know what?
I know that...
That what?
Hey, I'm Dr. Tyborg. Unfortunately,
We laughed, man.
Yeah, they're rolling.
hey, I'm Dr. Tyborg.
It's again the same thing. Yeah. Still rolling. Just that because it's ready. And action. Action.
Hey, I'm Dr.
Once again.
You're on Facebook?
I can't hear out of his hair.
Are you guys on Facebook?
No! Jeez, you frightened the hell out of me. I wasn't ready for that.
Your father didn't have this or that.
You got another one of this? He didn't have this cheap souvenir. Oh, sorry. You gotta be kidding me.
Ask yourself why there are palm trees in New York City.
Towards to the right. We can win this.
Oh, man.
I want it.
George.
I'll put it in.
George. George.
Hey.
I'm gonna get up on your bones. Maybe I could just scrape my dick on you. Just. I want to squeeze out some of that juice. Some of the juice.
What? Oh my God.
Gonna own your tit.
Get out of the way! Oh God! Oh God, Mad Dog! I know CPR, everybody. It's all I gotta stretch. You gotta use your hips. I'm using my hips. Mad Dog! Oh! Oh, he's alive! He's alive, everybody! He's alive!
How about a little victory music, shall we?
Please.
Oh.
I love this song.
Woo! Just take the mask off. It's all right, love. Yeah. You can take the mask off, love. It's fine. Thank you.
I feel like one of my students. Helpless. We should never have come down here. It was a mistake to free you.
You're right.
I'm sorry.
Basically, I'm the only one who's gonna remember any of this, right?
I think so.
Okay, now.
Oh God.
See you later.
Suck it. Suck my dick. Jesus. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. I'm not joking. Suck it. I'm not.
Knew it.
Wait, pick up from sucking his dick. All right. Sorry.
Come on, George. Suck my dick. I'm not kidding, George.
I have to ADR this entire thing because you guys hear that? All that Oscar buzz? It's everywhere. You hear it? You can't stop it.
Oh, Marty, God.
Oh, gee, don't laugh. It's so much better.
Now listen to me very carefully.
Let me smell your breath.
A tear came to my eye. That tear turned to ice, and I've kept it.
She squeezed!
Derek, when I met you, you were a junior petite.
No time. Good. Because I'm fiery hot with anger.
Doctor, there's that strange music again.
It seems to have stopped the big fellow in his tracks.
That music. That quaint.
All right.
Here are your messages, and this morning your mother called from Barbados.
My mama called? I wish you'd told me. Wait, hang on, I just went West Virginia.
Oh, mama.
And set.
Action.
There's bats out here.
You guys have never had sex.
No, Ruth wants to wait till we're married, and I'm a Christian, and so she's a Christian, and wouldn't you like to be a Christian?
Oh, more. But they nibble wantonly at the teeth of our cock. What's so funny down there, my friends?
Good. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, solid. Bastard.
Thank you.
Bastard.
Okay. All right, I won't. Can I talk to you for a second? Got it out.
You're laughing.
Not when I turn around. Thank you. Could you come for a second?
Cool.
Thank you. I just want you to know. All right, come on.
Look to me in my eyeball. I promise you, I take care of Lisa as if she were my own flesh and blood.
Thank you.
Okay? Okay. Okay. Solid.
Okay, solid.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Listen. Listen to me. Listen to me. I need you to do something for me. Sandy, get it together. Listen to me. Sandy, hold it together. Listen to me. There's something I need you to do for me. It's really, really important, okay? It's really important. Yeah. Sandy, look at me. It's something really, really important, okay? I promise me just this one time you won't screw it up, okay?
Ruben, I'm your wingman. Whatever it is, I will not let you down.
If you're dick in your hand, but I'm coming at you anyway. You ready?
I want to stick his Ben. Stop laughing. Everyone's laughing. Look at me, you little hard-on. Listen to me.
Oh, my God.
I can't think of a legal reason to punish you for leaving your grandmother at a nuclear power plant, but you are going straight to hell for that. Court is adjourned.
Out.
Girls, walk it off.
Oh.
If I put on a few pounds, we'll be able to stifle your long enough to sleep with yourself up.
It's just me.
Action. Wait, look, you gotta listen to me. You gotta listen to me. You confident?
Simultaneously arrive at a point in time where the bridge is completed. We'll have track under us and coast safely across the ravine.
Yo, Doc, you're squishing the shit out of me. I'm sorry.
I've come to say goodbye. We both have.